This is the Ahorn Van 550, 550 centimeter long camper van, and I'm going to show you this very quickly in under 3 minutes. So this vehicle here has a short footprint, small footprint, and it has at the back a widthwise double bed. There is storage, of course, all the way around, as you would expect from a vehicle, except at the back, as even here a wardrobe, and the wardrobe has space for clothes to fall down underneath. The bed will lift up completely, and that allows for a lot more storage under it. In here we have a shower and a toilet, and there is a sink too, which is here. This plastic separates the shower from the toilet, and it's all closed by this sliding door. Kitchen, sink, 2 burners, storage under the sink, and a fridge which has a door that opens both ways. Here we have forward facing bench, under that there's the water tank, and here we have a table which will open up to 3 sizes. Above that we've got the some more storage. Now it's on a Renault, meaning that presently there are not such shortages with Renault as they are with some other vehicles. So as you can see, huge amount of storage in the back. As I mentioned, to the left is the gas cabinet. Indeed, you can see a bit more of the storage like this. There's a separator there which separates the living part from the underbed part. That can be removed if necessary. And once more, I can just demonstrate what it's like under the beds. So that will all lift up. So I think it's a very nice vehicle, and if you'll fit width-wise, then 550 centimeters is a very small footprint for a vehicle of this nature. Now there's another video with far more details, so you might want to have a look at that. There's also more details in the description for the other vehicle. The video, there should be also a link. Thanks for watching, and I did that in under 3 minutes.